Hey, what's up? What's going on, people? James Starr here. So what I want to do in this video, man, I'm pumped for tonight, okay? So I'm going to share with you what we're doing tonight. But what I want to do in this video, this is really a case study. I want to show you how just in the last 24 hours, the profits I've made off of 3 simple trades in the cryptocurrency world. Now, what's important about this is that, well, it's not important, my story, this is what happened. So about 2 months ago, I didn't know anything about trading. And when I say that, that's not a marketing thing. I really didn't. I didn't know what a bull market was. I didn't know what a bear market was. I didn't understand language. I had never been in an exchange before in my life. I've never made one trade in my life. But I started learning, and I found someone online that really helped me, and we're doing a webinar tonight. I'm going to tell you about that in a few minutes, but I want to show you the case study and kind of show you what happened. So this is a cryptocurrency coin called NEO. Now, if you're watching this, you probably have heard of Bitcoin. Obviously, it's a huge trend right now. Everybody's getting into Bitcoin. Bitcoin just hit an all-time high. It's about to hit another one, probably go to 5,000 based on chart patterns and things like that. But here's a coin called NEO. And by the way, I'm in a group where I get signals. So there's a guy, he's actually 20 years old. He's a genius. He does this stuff for a living, and he puts out signals and he tells the trades that he's doing. But what's really cool is he doesn't just tell us when to buy, when to sell, and all that, but he actually posts charts and he teaches why he's doing those trades. And so we're going to talk about that tonight on our webinar. So I want to invite you. So if you type more info in the comments below this video and then shoot me a message, I'll get you the information for tonight. It's a free webinar and all that. So here's this coin called NEO. And what happened is I traded this coin yesterday, okay? And I'm going to show you. So I'm on this chart right now, and you can see it's NEO and it's pegged to Bitcoin, right? BTC. And this is what happened, okay? So I got in NEO right here where you see this green arrow. I don't know if you can see it very well. And I got in where you see this purple line, all right? So I actually had 2 entries on NEO. An entry just means that's when I bought NEO. Now, I had $2,200 on this trade. So I leveraged $2,200 in capital. Now, what's really cool that I didn't know you could do before until I started learning is that I could put $2,200 down, but it doesn't mean I'm either going to win or lose it. What I do is I put a stop loss. You can put something called a stop loss where I could say, you know what, if this coin goes down 10% after I've entered, then I want my system to automatically sell off my and I only lose 10%, right? Now, some of these we only risk 5%. But the gains are 20, 30, 40, 50% in most cases, and it's ridiculous. It's only taking like 24 hours for these things to happen. So here, I'm going to show you the profit, okay? So I got in right here, okay? And I sold it at this line right here. So my first entry, I made 43% on this trade. Okay, that was my first entry. Now, the second entry was up here, right? Because I got in a little bit higher. So on this entry, I made 26%, okay? 26% on this trade. So I made 43% and 26%. It's an average of like 33% or something on a $2,200 trade. So that was about what is that? So that was about 2,200 times 0.33. So I made about $726 on that trade. Here's what's cool about that. I made $726 in the value of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is going up right now. So probably by the end of next week or within 2 weeks, that $726 will probably be worth about $1,089, okay? So that was 2 trades yesterday in a 24-hour swing. Pretty awesome, right? So here's what happened on another trade. I got into another trade, and it's called Fun. This is actually the name of the coin is FUN. All right, so FUN. And here's what happened on this one. Okay, so I got in. I need to move this chart up a little bit. All right, so I got in right here at this green arrow, and I'm going to do the profit again so you can see. Got in about right here. And I got out right here at this purple line. So that is right at 20%. So I made 20% on this trade. This was a $500 trade, I think. So that's $100 on that one. And again, the value of Bitcoin is going up. So guys, this is what I want to say. Like, I'm brand new at this. I'm definitely not a trading expert, but just in the last 24 hours, I've had 3 trades that were 20% profit, 26% profit, 43% profit. And this is stuff that anybody can do, especially with the community that we want to give you access to. So tonight, here's what's going to happen. We're going to have a webinar with our friend. We're calling him Mr. X for now. We're not going to tell you his name until tonight, but he is 20 years old and he is crushing it in cryptocurrency. He's been doing this for a few years full time, and it's just it's been a blast. So Bob and I got in this. We started doing this stuff just kind of on the side and are making great money. I'm going to tell you something. The market cap worldwide for cryptocurrency just went from $80 billion to, I haven't looked at it today, but let's look at it. I'll just show you. Okay. It just went to, this is the market cap right here at the top. It went from $80 billion to $124 billion within a few weeks. This isn't years. I think the market cap was at like 20 billion in January of this year. So you can see that billions and billions of dollars are flowing into cryptocurrency. And so tonight we're going to show you how you can take advantage of these market conditions, because the market was just, the whole market as a whole was kind of going down for about a month and a half, I think. And then once I got into it, it was kind of in that trend. And now the market just swung back up. And now these are perfect conditions, even for beginners. If you've never done this before, you can come in and you could start making, 20%, 30%, 40% on your money almost daily if you know what you're doing. So again, tonight we're going to teach some things. There's going to be a value-packed webinar. Obviously, guys, you know us. We're going to have something to sell at the end of the webinar, because we always do. Like, we're marketers. That's what we do. But I'm telling you, if you just come to the webinar and get the free information, like the content, it is going to blow your mind. All right. So a couple of things that our friend is going to share tonight is how to know the direction of any cryptocurrency coin within 5 minutes or less. He's going to share how he made $10,000 on Ripple in 24 hours. Without guessing, without hearing rumors or news. He knew it based on a chart pattern, and he's going to show you how you can turn $50 into $1,000. Cool little method. So join us tonight. If you want information about the webinar, just type in more info in the comments below, and I'll get you the information. Shoot me a message also, because some of you may be friends of mine on Facebook, some not. I may not be able to shoot you a message, so shoot me a message as well, and just type more info or type crypto profits in the comments below, and I will get you the information. So hopefully this is cool to you guys. I'm blown away by this stuff. So obviously I probably shouldn't have got out right here, but I did, because it was my trading plan, and I trade a plan, and that's all I do. I don't trade, we're not trading based off news and rumors and what people on Facebook are saying. We're only trading based off chart patterns, off math, and it's just fun. So anyways, we'd love to have you on tonight, and thank you guys for watching this video. That's it, and we'll see you soon. Peace.